Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the top 10 mind-blowing AI inventions that will change the world forever. AI is already revolutionizing the way we live and work, and these 10 innovations are set to take things to the next level. Let's dive in. Autonomous cars. Self-driving cars are set to transform the transportation industry, making roads safer, reducing traffic congestion, and freeing up our time. AI personal assistants. AI personal assistants, like Siri and Alexa, are becoming more advanced every day and are making our lives easier by helping us with tasks, providing information, and even controlling our homes. Healthcare AI. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry by helping doctors diagnose and treat patients more effectively, predicting diseases, and even helping to develop new treatments. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, or AR, is changing the way we interact with the world by overlaying digital information on the physical world. Smart homes. Smart homes, equipped with AI-powered devices, are becoming more common, allowing us to control our homes from our phones and even voice-activated assistants. AI in education. AI is being used in education to personalize learning, improve student engagement, and even grade assignments. AI-powered customer service. AI-powered customer service is making it easier for businesses to provide quick, accurate, and personalized support to their customers. AI in agriculture. AI is helping farmers to increase their yields, reduce waste, and improve the sustainability of their operations. AI-powered financial services. AI is transforming the financial services industry by making it easier to manage our finances, detect fraud, and even offer personalized investment advice. AI in manufacturing. AI is revolutionizing manufacturing by automating many processes, increasing efficiency, and reducing waste. And that's it, folks. These 10 AI innovations are just the tip of the iceberg, and we can expect many more exciting developments in the near future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.